This is the Daily Spoonful with the Primal Professor, your bite-sized dose of clarity, encouragement, and real food wisdom to help you heal from the inside out. Today, we're cutting through the noise around cravings, offering a calm, practical way to respond. Let's be honest, we've all had those moments. You just ate, but now you're standing in the kitchen again, hunting for something sweet. And here's what most people don't realize. Cravings are rarely a sign of weakness. They're a biological response. Low blood sugar, high stress, poor sleep, or even dehydration can trick your brain into thinking you need quick fuel fast. It's not a lack of willpower, it's that your body is running on unstable inputs, and your brain, it's just trying to keep you safe. When we rely on carb-heavy meals, we spike insulin, then crash, so we crave again. It's a vicious loop that's not your fault, but here's the good news. Cravings can be rewired with nutrient-dense food, blood sugar balance, and a few intentional shifts. So I think this is a good nugget. Most cravings aren't hunger. They're a metabolic SOS. One of my clients, a retired school teacher in her 60s, used to end every night with a bowl of cereal. And she said, "It's just what I do when I'm stressed." We dug deeper and we found out her lunch had no protein. Her dinner was mostly starch. So, of course, her blood sugar crashed. It wasn't looking for comfort, it was looking for stability. So we had her drink salted water, get 10 minutes of light movement, and add protein to her first 2 meals. Within a week, her cravings stopped chasing her because her body finally got what it needed. The next time a craving hits, pause. First of all, pause. Drink a glass of water with a pinch of sea salt. Ask yourself, have I eaten enough protein today? Have I moved? Am I hydrated? Or am I just stressed? Sometimes clarity is just one sip away or one deep breath away. You're not failing, you're learning how to listen to your body that's been misunderstood for decades. And now you have a new tool in your pocket. See you tomorrow, right here on the Daily Spoonful.